Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Now, just a quick one, Ebusia. There are a bunch of videos they will bring all of them to you guys and put our reaction on it on a personal scale on this platform. But the quick one, Avosa have explained how they put things together to ensure they will humiliate the self-acclaimed fake Igbo king. Ebusia, we'll go and listen to him. We'll be right back.
Security association group leader no yene nkodi nkomo for security reasons ni din kura minyame make say okay minyanche me do picture be pie we everything but yentimi nyesa but anadwe yene ni be din nkomo kakra bi na afi ye gya ne kwa ma wako avosa ye mo adwo na ho etese
onyankopɔn adomo na mo so
yes ye ho ye pa you can figure say what bread papa it's been a tiring day for almost how many days here first of all yeah mamuina amo any adwuma kese a wone domina plus the Ashanti Defense Force awodano ni dwuma modiama yura santene ne asantemena mayade ye mamamu papa biom there are causes millions of Ghanaians here and around the world ahwe efa Igbo Kenyo no one yenua Nestana edi nkomo chirichiri ni namu said ye esikoe kakra ben biu na obetime e de aka ho bi mo fidie so
oye edi kan me da ohwefo ase ene wa mu so dwuma pa wo bo e ma o mangana ni onkofo a e wa chiri kan ho yankopon shamu na e kan se edi jawa na ya so makesi na madibi wona wutu wona monwa ade ni unyi ya enyu nsem free twese wotime to an asie na bibia akọ na efa Igbo hini nsensem yi no ne pese tu wahefo ni watiefo no so me ma o mati saade wi mu kakra yi pa mfanche na papa no se de busi hunu no oye criminal jumre ni nyema osie ne nyama no ebia me ka criminal na monti ase na de osie ne nyama no ho na odi be tia se onye nipa apa because ekwanya ofa so a nanka nyema nan bi na nanka obe no menhia abonten so nyema mako en nine it is 4 nanka ye ne buka ye pa ka fedie nkasia Ghana police atorese wo mu kono nka ode sa nyema nan bebrikini nara na ma na nyakopon so de so ka ho a wodi nkugu na de kuba na ne se eye na asante hima yi yo doti ye ekosui enan na dwumadi ye mu bidi ekodi Kumasi before na nine no prampo na eye ni se ye ni mu no ne da eye ukwada no ye da na ye gi ato ama na nanom ahemfo national house no ina ahemfo Ghana 16 regions ni ade wo mu atomo no wo mu na eba abetia yo ga no mama no gakina na se Bible say ne branya me meshi ai no na obonsam so tete ho
eto hobi nkwa
na ahemfo yi ba no na Igbo papa ya ofra ne ho se wo ye Igbo king so ebebi na Avosa de mo amahwe program na ne mo se from day one we were on grounds see be hwe ne marketing kiti bi enkoso ne ne bi nipa bi ahye se ibetu ase etie no ye de bia no a mihia wo nyina na wo di nkomo kire wo mu ye kwa ase na ye beye munye se ye obi se ama munye se na se bra na me no mu di sa nkomo no sa bra no na Igbo hini afa ho di ewuram amba eye na se the bra wo be yi na se so no na ntie de odi atofo ma o ko nketi na amanfo ye live no mu di atono so na fi course ba me no mu kase pese me jako me jai na makohe ko no it keeps on coming na me say debi na me tie course yi mu ba ko na me hwa ade tie course amanfo na both amwei na Igbo ina ba me hwa na me say debi e wo me hwa Igbo yi bi ama me hwa mo say Igbo yi na me hwa life dey see me tie na me say debi mumra na mu me yanko tisi mai hu na chi hu se na chi ela you go in for omo eto omo santre no eko e wana me ka kire omo say ni pa 5 ngira gate mo ma kan na mo mese nyanko ke ko ina te police ni ba kun ka wo li no bi na wuram which is to be na nanom jaima ayesa aka ahimfo ni fi different regions ba no bi ati to na e recognize wo mo no wo kere ho be bi na komne e ka kire police ni say e wono de na pa ye ni say na onye wuram wi e ka say you channel the force ka say wo bi nkwa a creating different thing crime you on the baby bibia or she said there be yen twenenko nembo abodwe se ebetu ni to ni e wo so ni atia na wo ni nyansa e be bibia na eduru ni share so ni wonko nembo be ka say police ni say this man mamin kan say mo am catch them because me ara me kasa ya me catch them say papa ya wo koi onye invited to this particular program.
Wow.
Inna perimeter hono oni seat. We be tinya ye say yam nko the outside we are bottom to be tentene sam yen sawa abonten. A o transfer gu inside ye hwe ye koso. Yam fa ne nko tent ne wa abonten no so. Na wonten no so. Because inside that obi occupy ubi space wa bra yam frem. Ti o tia sa se yam fa ne nko. Ti e omo ko transfer no. Ba bi o ko tena ye no. E wo ye ubia ufri da bibia na so obi obe hwade ni bia no etim betina ho ti amana ambe yobo ti we that mission here first we declare break first one amana mfa na wan ko fra ya na yin fo no we first mission second mission and me catch me boy say papa we are what you sign no better ho I know him very well the betin yaye me dey I'm not moving me man you come ho and I'm not going to say woman so in them. You know, come on, daddy. Let me still go. If you did me about the metro home, I'll put this up. I do. I don't think you one more. No need to put your picture, no the church. You throw, and I'm a cocoa to me. The catcher is can I speak to your leader? He said, okay. So we go to the number yoga. Please, good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is an instruction that I'm supposed to. The instruction, you cannot have a picture with any chip today over here.
A more day.
What is and what you to call you share me and I say wow, yes.
Wow.
I'm on uniform and you cannot doubt whatever I'm giving out. It was okay. It's actually pretty, you know, say, okay, no problem, officer. We've heard you. Because I think we need to see from no. They say, we show the name show be a course. So we did make 15 minutes and we na AC. Na omu ni AC na sa time ni bra. Na mano mo saso omu echia otufo. Eti omu si no ene mu so omu ekodi line ni ya resist omu ya mpamu omu. E wona me suma ba ko kam so onfre omu mo gate oni na amra. Avosa doni na ba ye no. Ena me che bu tre. Ere no first section no ni di omu ti o line ni. Second section na me ema omu say Boso munko utufu eti wo mujina metisa ebi be ya de na mi anka sanso no e monitor mo ne style ya bi o munko bia eti wo ne frɛ utufu dai ba ko onu na o sa yuramra no
I see
no e ka kira me say me tro mani nya nsem ne nko duru ya me ba fo contemplate wo le to bi mai ono ne ka kira wo mo and I'm afraid you will cry over flag, no, on the beside. I'm afraid. Also, I'm not going to really moon and no. Hey, it was really bad that I would lie in his yesterday. You know, Mamma, not the Otia. The many of us could be said, or they could cast something we need to for. Because I can make a woman. We been there 7-8 minutes. And I didn't call flag in your phone or have about some can say what they call them semantics. But so for chairman here, was I not be that means that will deliver a mobile phone contemplate. It's not immediate to cry, but that time when you're really seeing within the line.
Wow.
So when I'm so for to say, when you relax, you do I want to meet you the moment you go side by side, now you monitor the moves. If you time man I could do that for then you real human. Money now I did back also that again weird because then because some would do na na me be credit you cannot only be him over here because of the mutan sense you will this
Oh, I see. I see.
Now one call. It's in the mission. The author is not ordinary. I say because now what this is. I'm not in call upon Sana. I did not want to opportunity. She came out with the one. What did he say? 10,000 Ghana cedis from the Igbo king in Ghana.
On what throne is it?
Yes. So we follow the Nakwa now what the man or the Korean. What the man or the Korean do one at the bank of one anymore now what Troyan. And I'm a call back and I catch it and say, can you please do a corrections for me as a correction there? And I'm saying the guy that just came, the Igbo king, 10,000 Ghana cedis no. That money is for the Igbo community in Ashanti region.
At a point, who said the Igbo community no more Ashanti
yes,
I stand to be correct.
It's nobody and no name for ye. I take the glory no. But you divert in the country of say. The Igbo community in Ashanti region. And that 10,000 neighbor. It will be a dance here, the TRT. It do a year, one of my year Casano. Yambo Igbo king, the neighbor, 10,000 Ghana cedis no was coming from the Igbo community in Ashanti region. In fact, me one be disappointed because you were the choir no, and yes, I can't. But what you say, but you might force to be a tree, a money can first. I will see a face and your money. It is a miadum. But I think I know that almost no motion program now. One free my that hint no. They don't want to say madam message in the back them. Namia do you see to deliver. Then you want mama. Or more issue or more so. Then you pepper di my. You know who? So we suffer. You only Igbo king knows and somebody. Now the course no.
I see because just say who should one say on the way you kwa kuye nyampe. Instead say Okoro representing Igbo for what Ghana ni Asante Memu no ono the way ni ko represent on anything.
Yes. Ono no purposely no oba for 4 targets. The first target so only nananom no obetra wo dabre ho. Na akoye say we are recognized in Ghana into National House of Chiefs ni obetra 110 asset. Get it. Now second one when your picture being na nebika and now will be a car. Yes, even the kings and the chiefs in the Ashanti region, no, when they will be free, the second target, no. And then the third one, they announce it with a year series, yes, the Igbo king donating amount of this, no. They are generally and the last one, so then it's about 2 for some, now what Chiano may come. Akasampa utu fokure ni mjini tumuno. Enti weni nyama fwa na kwa jise udimua. Na miado ya bringini nina down. Entu nyanso sidi hapa man.
Ebusia Ghana foi na chichini bencheye. Ene Ghana foi na ne adishi na emamo Avosa amo. Bafo kantenkrachi ye manoso amo maya de papa na mate asantie nim. Chirese ebra sa Nigerian CD yewra image ebesi ho minim sa Avosa for mu huye ene se de no mo toto yewra you know ye toto ne fel enem ne ade ni enim se sa ata na mu weyie mu tina mu ani abre but wo hwe de ma ye ya aso eni papa de be kan se Nyankopon hira mo dodo Ghana fo ina so da mo ase e wo de ma ye na ebriem se obre wo mpa nti meja na waje wa home na ye be se be din komo ye nim se nema pi gufu no so a ye ntimi ni hu komo sabria e be pia bonten na ye no we din komo in the very coming days ye da se papa nyame nhira wo so
ati mesmo da wa se pa ni odwuma pa wo so
amen Ghanaians yes so the head of Avosa ene ne din komo no na wo hwa me be call for breaking news business here just say wo hwa ni oma no a ba no a emu ode pa very soon minute Dr. Hassan ayaga ba bedi enko but are you aware to say Dr. Hassan Ayaga so den also ko visit the government che so I me here no so enkyere mo mami enkyere mo producer look into that space. I no of asantene de no e na call government che ho no so say no me dey no bro, but guys, let's go for the breaking news. Now I'm prepare our video no. Yes, yera Venison Santene and so Ede Venison Dr. Alhaji Hassan Ayaga Edin Sato yera and Sayam Echiano. Say the chuku di na ohwehwe no ono we nya no sa. Zono and Niama Echo BCBC Basa. Just about 35 minutes gone past the hour 9. This is the frontline breaking news story, folks.
Ebusia, and I believe say you guys listen to Avosa leader no. Na Kwekwana say he didn't want to actually mention his name. That's cool with us. Ni say omo aboy juma pa wo Kumasi wo na ne piaso no. Ne ka ho no what happened in Accra today, 19th of September. Ebusia, that video will show up very soon on your screens. Dr. Hassan Ayaga petitioned the government ni Tekuchu II, and he said, I'm going to work on it swiftly. And he organized what? An emergency meeting and delivered. Ebusia, the Igbo self-acclaimed style king. Where is the DM, whatever they call him? Where are the people supporting the Igbo king on social media, TikTok? Where are they? We need them to come and say something right now. We need them. All the Nigerians that keep saying all the rubbish on social media, they will tell them, say, Ghana belongs to us. And that is why the king of Accra have shown up. And I'll bring that video to you guys in a jiffy. But more than I said, you subscribe, guys. Subscribe for more reactions like this. It's coming. Subscribe, guys. Thank you. Bye for now.